Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can remove an Etsy account, so let's get right into it. So to close down your account, what you're going to need to do first is you're going to need to go over into your profile picture icon over here into your account, and then just go ahead and click on account settings. That is going to take you to this screen right here, and as you can see at the very top, you will have a lot of tabs, but it'll take you directly to the account tab, which is exactly what you want. Now, to close down your own account, what you're going to need to do is scroll all the way down until you get to close your account, and as you can see, you'll see exactly what happens when you close your account, and it says that your account will be inactive until you reopen it. Your profile, shop, and listings will no longer appear on Etsy anywhere. They'll close down any non-delivery cases you've opened, and your account settings will remain intact, and no one will be able to get your username. You can reopen it anytime by just signing in to Etsy or just contacting Etsy support for help. And if you want to permanently delete your account, you can go to privacy settings and click request deletion of your data, which is protected by several legislations, which really depends on where you live. But other than that, if you just want to remove your account or deactivate it, you can very easily just select a reason. As you can see here, just go and select whichever reason you want: personal reasons, business reasons, Etsy isn't right for me, or something else. So for example, if you click personal reasons, you can select which specific reason you want, and then just click close account, and that is pretty much it. Once you close your account, it'll be closed and you can reopen it if you want. Again, if you want to permanently delete it, just go into privacy settings, click request deletion of your data, and once you go through that entire process, you should be good and everything will be permanently deleted. And that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.